In this movie, we're going to be looking at title blocks and the new way of applying them, which was introduced with Stardraw Design 7.4, which is using title block reports. So I have a project and I have input all of the information required for my title blocks. This includes, in the project details page, information about the project, the client, and myself. And importantly, under Tools, Personalization, Personal Details, I've imported a company logo so that this can be substituted into our title blocks. In this project, we have 5 drawings: a block schematic, a rack layout, a pictorial schematic, panel layout, and a plan view drawing. In each of these drawings, I've already set the majority of the drawing information here in the document properties grid. I just need to complete this by adding a drawing title for this particular drawing, which is the system schematic. Now that we've got all of the information that we need in our drawings, we can go back to the project dashboard and go to the reports view. Using the new method of title block reports, under Stardraw Reports, you will find a folder called Title Blocks, and in that folder we have the metric and ANSI paper sizes and orientations. Choose the title block template that you want, and your drawings will be rendered into those title block reports. We'll use this zoom control to fit our view to the page, and you can see that in page 1 we have the system schematic. Use the arrow buttons to change pages in this report, and that shows the rack layout, the pictorial schematic, the panel layout, and finally the plan view drawing. This drawing looks rather faint, and this is because it's a very large drawing that's been scaled down to fit onto a very small page size. There is a setting in your drawing which manages the thickness at which hairlines are printed. So if we go to the plan view drawing, look in the properties grid, and you'll see that there's a property called hairline width, which is currently 2 mil. So let's increase it to 20 mil. Go back to the reports viewer and hit refresh. What we now see in our title block report is the plan view drawing rendered perfectly clearly. So that is the new method of adding title blocks. It has the advantage of being quicker and easier because we don't have to add title blocks individually and set values individually in each individual drawing. Instead, we just go to the reports view, choose any report that we want, and each drawing in the project is represented as a page in the title block report. If you found this video useful, please click like so that other people can appreciate it, and subscribe to be notified about new videos in the future. Thanks for watching.